it.
So how much you make so far yesterday and today?
So make like 1800 each, like almost $2,000 each day. So yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice, Rosen.
Thank you.
It's all just the price, and most you're selling to human, and for human they want to make sure that the price makes sense. Their dollar, they have to make sure it's the best price because they're gonna shop around. Think of it as a flea market, a shop, okay, like a mall. They're gonna go to a different store, and if your price is good, your offer is strong, and you're convincing people enough, everything will sell. Okay, and right now the volume, as you increase the volume, make sure that customer will leave a reviews. Check to see how many people opt into the system that we already created for you. So you want at least about 40% of people, let's say 10 order, 40% of them opt into our system, so that we can collect the reviews. The more review you have to hit 200 reviews. That's when all the money start rolling in. 10% of more money is still better than 50% of nothing. Okay, you happy?
Yep. Thank you.
So now no more doubting yourself?
Yeah. When it was not selling, then you kind of have developed some negative thoughts. It just happens. But then you have to, keep that positive mindset. But now that it's becoming fruitful, it's just happy every time.
Yep, your dream is coming to fruition, and now the battle just started. The race is just starting. Okay, now you are on the ring. You are competing. You're boxing with other competitor now. So you have to always keep forward, and the goal is to get as much review as possible, as much sales as possible, and then Amazon will give you the organic ranking. Okay, and that's when you can make more. Right now, the real game just gets started, okay? So stay focused. Now it works. All you have to do is just believe in yourself. It has worked for us, it will work for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if you enjoy the videos, make sure you follow and likes and comment down below what you want to learn more from me so that I can do more tailored videos toward your interests, okay? And hope you learn a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.